Hi, welcome to TECHHELPLINE channel, and this is the tutorial where I'm gonna show you how to log out BeReal on BeReal. Open your BeReal app, open up your profile page by typing the circle or profile picture at the top right corner. Click on three dot at the top right corner. Here you will see a lot of options. Now scroll down to bottom. As you can see logout option, just tap on that and tap confirm to log out, and you're logged out. Hope this video helped you. If it did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.